Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Mamie, nice to meet you. Today I wanted to try something fun, if any of you guys follow me on Instagram, it's at Mamie Hades. Make sure to follow me if you don't already. I wanted to do something sort of fun, and this video I've really wanted to do for a while. I guess, pretty common belief about goth is the fact that, you know, it costs a lot of money to dress goth. And you guys, I cannot stress this enough, but that is not true whatsoever. You know, a lot of trad goth from the 80s, it was all DIY. All of it. And they looked stunning, you know, a lot of thrifted DIY sort of stuff, you know, because back then there weren't, you know, alternative stores that marketed towards goths and punks like there is now. So, you know, everything was handmade, thrifted, hand-dyed, whatever, and I love that. And I think nowadays there's definitely like a disconnect between the modern goth scene and DIY, and I just kind of want to bring those two back together where they belong. You know, just because it makes me really sad. You know, sometimes I'll get messages on my Instagram and it'll be somewhat along the lines of, oh, I'm 13 and I really want to dress goth and I really love the way you dress, but I just don't have enough money. I can't afford to look like that. And like, honestly, it doesn't cost a lot to dress goth. And of course, over time, you accumulate things. Yeah. So, it does not have to be expensive. You can make it expensive if you want to make it expensive, but it's not necessary, you know? Like, if you want to buy, you know, a nice dress that's $100, go ahead. That's cool, that's fine. But know that, you know, you can also look awesome and spooky and stunning in a dress that was $5 at the Goodwill. And it's really just about how you accessorize it and, you know, how you put it together in an outfit, because you can do a lot of really cool things with things from a thrift store. A lot of people are shocked when I tell them that a good portion of my wardrobe is all thrifted, you know, secondhand items, but it is, you know. So I wanted to sort of talk about that, and I put together a very fitting outfit. And my whole outfit is definitely like under $50. I don't have a collar on, and I just noticed. Let me go put one on because I feel naked. Okay, I'm back. I felt naked and I was like, there's something that I forgot to put on, and it was my collar. And I made sure to grab one that I found at a very reasonable price, because that's what this video is about. I would definitely in the future like to make some more videos on goth fashion on a budget. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested and what type of videos you'd especially like to see, I guess. But yeah, you do not need to drop hundreds of dollars to look goth. You don't gotta do it, you know. Don't let people trick you into thinking that, you know. It's like, no. You can thrift and DIY a whole outfit and look badass as hell. You know, there is no need to buy, you know, more goth brand clothes, or, you know, more expensive stuff. If you want to, sure, go ahead, you know, nothing is stopping you. But I just wanted to touch on the fact that, you know, DIY is a huge part of goth, and especially in the 80s, that was huge. And now I feel like there's like a little bit of a disconnect from it, and a lot of people tend to think that, oh, looking like that costs so much money. I bet all that costs but it doesn't. You can do it. You can do it on a budget, and I'm gonna tell you the secrets of being a cool thrifty goth. Yes. So first of all, I want to start with my accessories. This collar was, I think, $5 on Amazon. I really like it. I've had it for, I want to say, about 2 years now. It's been a bit. I'm 19 now, and I wore it to my junior prom when I went with my best friend Alex. That was, before I moved and all. So I've had this for quite a while. It was $5. It's held up really well. It's made well, especially for the price. It's really cute. Places like Amazon, eBay, Wish, AliExpress, websites like that, you can find a lot of, kind of goth, punk, spiky, O-ring, chainy, cool chokers for a couple of dollars. And of course, there's Etsy as well if you want to support smaller businesses. Normally that's going to, of course, be a little bit more expensive, but you can find affordable stuff there as well. But that's the collar. And then the big necklace here, this is from Spirit Halloween. I'm not kidding. No joke. I am wearing something from a Halloween store. And I'm not going to apologize. So there it is. It's very pretty. It's a pentagram, and there's some beads. I like it. So this was like $6 or $7, which is kind of expensive for a necklace, but it's a very large necklace. And then I have this ankh that was like $5 on Amazon, and I've had it forever. I've had it since middle school, like probably since I was 14. But the rings that I'm wearing today were all, my mom gave me them for Christmas because I love rings, and they're very beautiful, and I believe all of them she found on Etsy. So I'm not going to include the cost of the rings, but you can totally find, inexpensive rings that are like imitation onyx, and this is just like a little bat, and this ring was probably no more than $20. It's very simple, it's very cute, I love it, but probably not very expensive. But anyways, the fishnet top that I have made out of fishnet tights, I just made that in a few minutes. DIY is so fun. Please let me know if you want me to do a how I make fishnet tops out of tights, like a little short DIY video. I've been wanting to do that for a while, so I might F around and make that, I'm actually genuinely surprised that I have enough energy to like do my makeup and film after school, because normally I need a nap and I'm just like, I feel horrible. I'm gonna go take a nap. I feel like I'm dead. So it is a blessing today. Thank you. So we have this long sleeve, of course. So yeah, just basic fishnet, and these were like $1. You can get a bunch of fishnets for really cheap on Amazon or eBay. Yeah. Even Target and Walmart have fishnets. And speaking of Walmart, my thigh highs with the elastics on the top, they are from Walmart, and they were maybe $6 or $7. So this outfit is not expensive, and I bet you're thinking, but it looks cute. I hope you're thinking it's cute. Hopefully. And then this shawl slash scarf my grandma gave to me because when my grandparents were moving, they had to clean everything out of their attic, and my grandma found this and she thought, oh, Mamie would like that. It's black and lacy and, you know. So I do like it. So thank you, Grandma. My grandma doesn't know how to use the internet. However, thank you, Grandma. I love her. She's the cutest. I love her so much. If I can maybe bribe her into me doing her makeup or something like that, that would be iconic. Or me dressing her up. I love her. But anyways, she gave this to me. So this was a gift. So I'm going to consider it free in this case. This was free. But I really like it. It's very pretty. It's very nice quality. It's nice. You can wear it as a shawl, but like even as a scarf, like it will keep you warm even though it looks, you know, very sheer. But it's very pretty. Also, this belt was $1 at the thrift store. It is pretty beat up, so, you know, it's not worth much, but I like it. I like the studs. It's very cute. And then this bracelet was like under $5 on Amazon. I'd say this was probably like $3. And then 2 of these bangles were given to me by my mom. And then 4 of them I got at, oh wait, no. 5 of them I got at the thrift store near my house. So that's the lower ones and this black plastic one. And they make noise. So those are cute, and I got a bunch of them for, I want to say $2. It was super cheap. And I found them on the like sale section of the thrift store, where they just had a bunch of jewelry for, you know, really cheap. And so I found them and I was like, ooh, bangles. So of course I had to, you know, get a few. And I like the black one too. It's unique. It's fun. It's funky. It's fresh. It's fly. It's, yeah. I don't even know what I'm on about. I've just like had too much caffeine today, and just vibing, just existing, yeah. I'm thinking. I'm loading. Also, this fan was cheap. This fan was $1 on Amazon. It's very pretty. I like bringing like fans like this to concerts. I don't know when we'll have concerts again, but when we do, there's a high chance that you'll see me with my lace fan because it keeps me cool. It's also good if you're wearing a full face of makeup, you know, because it can get hot and you don't want to be sweaty. And it's also just nice. This is actually like very relaxed. This is very nice. This is very peaceful. So that's another, you know, cute accessory, but it's also, it's not really, it is partially an accessory, but it's also helpful. Like I'll bring my cute little fan in my purse with me or my backpack. Sometimes, you know, if I take a walk and I'm gonna be sitting in a park or whatever and it's a little bit hot, I'll bring it with me. And it's very helpful. And then the shoes, you guys, I got these heels for $8 and I'm still like, wow, about it. And like when I got them, I had to immediately tell my mom. I was like, Mom, guess what I got at the Goodwill today? I got a pair of Steve Madden heels, and I've wanted Steve Madden heels for like a while. So naturally when I saw them at Goodwill for $8 in my size, I was just like, you have to add that to the cart. Come on. Let's go. And I love them. They're very pretty. They are quite low for like heels that I wear because I normally wear like platform heels. But I do like wearing a smaller heel every once in a while. And these are cute. I feel like it complements my shape or whatever the heck. Whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. But here they are. They're super cute. They are in pretty good condition. And they're $8. I love patent leather. It's so shiny and cute. Like that's what we got here. And they're very cute, and I like them, and I like the pointed toe. They have a very 80s vibe, and I love that, of course. Have you seen me? So I'm gonna show you guys the shoes. I just wanted to take them off when I was sitting because, you know, I gotta get comfy.